Hello, my friend. Welcome to my channel. Today I've got Red Eyed Lacquer, Oh Please, and Maniology, and Just a Girl and Her Nails, M005, and Cosmos. I've started off with a Naked Manicure by Zoya, and that's my base. And here is Oh Please from Red Eyed Lacquer. That is so pretty. It's a gray cruddy, I guess, because it's very see-through, full of iridescent flakies of all different colors. They're so breathtaking. I just really, really love this one. So we're on our second coat, and that might be all I do to it. It might could have used a third one, but we're just doing two because we're going to do some playing anyway, so it's all good. It's all good in the neighborhood. Capping my free edge here. Alright, we have to get Woody out here. Hi, Woody. How you doing? There it is. I'm going to top this with I&Ms out the door. Look at those flakes as I turn my nail. Oh, my. Oh, breathtaking. And it really does look like a gray opal. Oh, my goodness. Love this. So pretty. Alright, swatch photo that don't do it justice. Yep, again. And here is Maniology and Just a Girl and Her Nails, M005. I'm going to give it a quick wipe down with some acetone and a lint-free wipe. Get it ready to play. And here is Maniology's Cosmos. Beautiful blue metallic like stamping polish. I got my Maniology scraper out and a Maniology cube stamper, and we're just going to get busy. I'm going to use two different images off this plate today. I'm doing my thumb and my ring fingernail as accent nails, and that's what this design is, the little stars. I love that. Oh my goodness, I love it. And I'm going to use the image right next to it. I'm just going to pluck along, plucking away at this hair manicure. And this one I don't know, it just kind of reminded me of like, you know, like a geode when you bust them open, they've got those rings, and I don't know. Silly thinking, I guess. I don't know. I do clean my plate with pure acetone. I've got to stop saying pure acetone. Acetone. What I mean by that is no conditioners, no oils, nothing else in it, just acetone. And there we go, another beautiful image. And I clean my stamper off on a lint roller. You do not want to use acetone or nail polish remover to clean your clear stampers. And maybe even not any other ones. Now that I use the sticky tape or lint rollers, I don't ever clean any of my stampers with anything but, except for maybe, you know, a good hand washing with some Dawn dish soap and let them air dry every once in a while. But, you know, now that I've learned, because I do have some stampers in my collection that have been totally fogged up by the acetone, you know, from before I knew. And here we go. Ta-ta! So now they all stamped up. We're going to clean this plate off and get everything cleaned up so we can put it away. Wiping it down with a lint-free wipe. Alright. Good enough. Good enough. We get it good enough. But I just don't want any polish left on the plate for next time, because if you let it really dry down in there, it's really difficult to get out. I do clean across the edge of my scraper card and my thumb. I go in with a piece of tape here and remove some of the excess off of my skin. That way I don't smear the stamping polish all over my skin trying to get it up with acetone. But I am going to go in with my acetone here and my little cleanup brush just to get any excesses. Now this one was really easy to clean up. Alright, now that we've got the cleanup done, we're going to top these with some smudge-free top coat. Flip that brush around, get to the other side. There it is. Oof. And then I'm going to top them with some Posh top coat. And for those of you that don't know, the smudge-free top coat is not a final top coat because it's water-based, and it will just wash off if you don't cover it with a, a regular top coat. And there you have it. There is my swatch photo. I do hope you enjoyed it. I want to thank you so much for watching. Until next time, be good to yourself.